Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with a Color Street Color Play subscription box unboxing. This is May 2024 Electric Abyss, and I'm probably one of the last ones who are subscribed to the sub boxes getting their boxes this late, but here we are. And so I have not seen any spoilers yet. Oh, excuse me. I'm very excited about the color scheme of this box, so hoping that there is a nail set that looks exactly like this image here, because I love the colors. But let's take a look and find out, shall we? If you are new to this channel, I am Wendy, born and raised in California, and I just love to chit chat and do my nails. So if you're into that, stay tuned. If you haven't gotten your Color Street Color Play sub box for this month yet, and you don't want any spoilers, click off this video now and come back later. But yeah, here we go. Let's take a look. Alright, so what I want to do is I'm going to place this face down and not look at that, because that's going to totally ruin the surprise. And let's take a look here. So, the usual comes with a nail file, nail prep pad, and looks like this is the free gift today. So, oh, kind of cute. Don't really know how it goes with the theme. Creaseless hair clips. You know, I just cut my hair like a week ago, and it's different than I'm used to, and my panda bear, my significant other, says at times I look like I fell out of the 80s, so these might come in handy clipping back some of my side bangs. So I'm gonna just throw them in my hair right now, actually, even though you can't see me and you can just see my hands. I'm gonna throw those in my hair, clip my bangs back, and we will move forward. They're very sturdy, so that's nice. Creaseless, though. I'm gonna have to see if that is true, so let's keep them in my hair for now. Alright, here we go. Changing Tides is the very first one. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. So I don't know if you have seen my other videos, but I mentioned that I just made my very first purchase from Mooncat, this indie brand nail polish company. And this, for some reason, reminds me of some of the polishes that they have. So I love that. That is totally my vibe. Very, very cool. What was that called again? Before we move on, Changing Tides. I'm gonna have to remember these names. There's so many strips, it's hard to remember all the names. Luminescent Lavender. Luminescent Lavender. Not the biggest fan of that color purple. I wish it was a darker purple, or at least a more cool tone, leaning more towards like periwinkle than this. This one's alright. I'm sure there's folks out there that love that color. Not my vibe though. Underwater Mirage. What is that gonna look like? Oh, is this supposed to be what's on the box? 'Cause not the same. Wait, is this an overlay? Does that go over something and that's why it looks like this? Oh, we'll have to take a look. We'll look at the pamphlet after, but it's called Underwater Mirage. Makes me think that it might be an overlay, because when it says underwater and then Mirage. Ooh, Mysteries of the Deep. Okay. I don't know if I like that. It looks like the nail strip is growing some kind of mold on it. Maybe I'll learn to like it, but just at first glance, no. Starlit Sands. Yeah, what is happening? These chunky glitters, like the contrast in the colors and stuff, makes me think of mold. Oh gosh. No, that's making me very disappointed because I was very excited about this box too. I might have to layer. You know what? Maybe layering it will make it work well. Glow Getter. Wait. Glow Getter? You. Color Street. So Glow Getter was like, I want to say if you hosted a beauty social like a couple years ago, you got a full two sets of 8 strips. This one, they're just cheating you. Glow Getter Mini is what's happening here because it's missing. It's only the 6. Alright, well, I'm a little disappointed because this had so much promise. The color scheme and everything, but there's nothing in here that looks exactly like that. And I'm wondering if this is an overlay and they're maybe like saying to put this on top of something like that to get this vibe. But let's take a look and see the pamphlet and find out, because I'm like not really sure what's happening here. So here's Color Play by Color Street, Electric Abyss. So May 2024. In this month's box, explore the deepest, darkest depths of the ocean with Color Play's Electric Abyss. This box features hypnotic glitters, a luminous jelly, a glow-in-the-dark shade, oceanic dual-ended French glitter tips, and a surreal deep-sea illusion overlay that captures the secrets from beneath the waves. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design that casts an ethereal glow. Bonus item, embrace your inner mermaid with iridescent hair clips as you glam up. Well, the hair clips are very sturdy. Right now they are keeping my side bangs to the side out of my face. So I'll give them that. Alright, meet the strips. Changing Tides. Ooh, it says it glows in black light. Okay. Shall we test that? Let me go turn the lights out and see if I can test it somehow. I mean, it's not quite dark yet, but let's see how dark we can get this. And I've got UV light, flashlight, oh yeah, it does. Whoa, okay. It's like you're deep sea diving and you're like seeing like the underwater craziness. It reminds me very much of my Upalite owl that I got from a gem show, which I love this owl because it's just a little hidden secret there. But yeah, it really does. It glows. It looks like a bunch of these glow. So again, with feeling like there's like mold, and that's literally like, you know, the stuff growing at the bottom of the sea is what this is kind of like reflecting, I guess. So it'll be interesting to put that overlay over these, and I don't even know where I would be, where I would have black light on me. So still kind of like one of those where it's like, very gimmicky, and unfortunately like not really doing it for me. Alright, but top your tips with blue and green glitter dual-ended French tips that bring in a wave of glitzy light. So that's Changing Tides. Underwater Mirage is this multicolored and black deep sea illusion overlay turns your manicure into an underwater mirage. And then Glow Getter is light up the darkest parts of the ocean with the glow in the dark, with this glow in the dark shade. Starlit Sands, get ready to sparkle with this blue and pink flashed white with oceanic glitter, evoking surreal glowing shores. Mysteries of the deep, discover what lies beneath the surface with the dark teal blue coated in chunky copper glitter. And Luminescent Lavender, this wisteria jelly coated in dreamy flecks mirrors the glow of a moon jelly. Okay, when you get the description, you kind of get where the whole theme is going, but still, I'm just kind of like underwhelmed. Is that even a word? But yeah, that's interesting. They used Glow Getter underneath Underwater Mirage. And here it is, where you can share your aquatic manicure on social media and use the hashtag colorplay to show the world your creativity. I still haven't done that. I keep meaning to, and then I never remember when I actually use the sub box. But here's Luminescent Lavender, Underwater Mirage, Starlit Sands, Changing Tides, Underwater Mirage, Mysteries of the Deep. I mean, it looks kind of cool on her hands, the color, so maybe it's not so bad. Just my first impressions, though, was not like, I'm like, oh. Okay, Starlit Sands and Underwater Mirage. That actually looks really pretty. So I might end up doing that. But yeah, here are all the sets. I really was excited about this box, looking at the box itself. And I don't know if these sets fully fit with this vibe. And then Electric Abyss. I guess they're thinking of like a deep underwater abyss is what they're aiming for. But I don't know. What do y'all think? They have a lot of sets. So 1, 2, 3 of the 6, and then 3 of the full sets. Yeah, comment below what you think. If you got your box, what were your first impressions? I'm all super excited about the June box. I forgot the name of that one again already. I'm so bad with the names now. But yeah, I hope I don't get disappointed. I probably should have lower expectations for it, and then I can be more excited versus high expectations and becoming a bit disappointed. But you know what? Sometimes my first impressions are proved wrong when I actually put the nails on. So we'll find out. This though just feels like such a cheat because they've already had Glow Getter before. So it's like, if you're going to put Glow Getter in there, at least put the full set, you know? But yeah, as I look at it closely, I don't know if I like those blue glitters here, but could probably look nice in certain lighting. But yeah, here we are, here they are. And this is the mani I did last night, which I absolutely love. But with dark colors, you can see I always get that little bit of tip wear because I do a lot of typing at work. So anyways, I've said too much. Until next time, peace.